Hello there my people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to DIY this plain top that I have on into a cute crop top as portrayed in the below before and after clip. So stay tuned and let's jump straight into the action. Hi guys, so to make this crop top all you need is a tape measure, these pins, a scissor, this and this. So I'll just start off by measuring this part over here so that I can have a straight cut. So just go ahead and draw a line. Then take my scissor . Like so. Because I won't need these pockets, I'll just remove them. So what I'll do next, guys, is just I'll see you around this area. And I'll just use these pins to secure these parts. Secure this area and this part. Here I'm just cutting out a section of a material. I'll cut a straight pattern which I'll use to design the arms for my crop top. Hello, I'm back. So I'm done sewing this front part, yeah, and also the arms. So what I'm going to do next is just measure myself this part so that I can create the crop top. I'm going to use this biro. So I'm just spreading it out so that it can go all through it. I also added this design to the shirts just to make it more cute. Yeah. And for the arms, so I'll just let me secure this part with a pin so that it won't come off. Almost done. Next, I'm gonna take off I'm gonna take off these pieces. So I sewed along this area, so I'm just gonna turn it. Just gonna do the same to this. This is how the crop top looks like now. As you can see, this is the arms I created. Isn't it a cute design? So I'm just tying it in a knot so that it can give me that cute look. You can wear it in different ways. As you can see, I'm tucking it in, and I kind of like it tucked in. I had so much fun creating this look. Be assured of more DIY vids from me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to share as well. Bye.